Today we are going to investigate what happens when we cross generations of plants. Each Petri dish will contain a plant generation that we will observe. Let's start with the original parents, parent 1 and parent 2. We will call them P1 and P2. P1 and P2 is our first generation. When we cross P1 and P2, we get our offspring. Generation 2, we will call that F1. When we cross F1 with another F1, we get our third generation that we will call F2. Remember that generation refers to all of the people born and living at the same time. The first generation, P1 and P2, well, that's kind of like your grandparents. The second generation, F1, well, that's kind of like your parents, children of your grandparents. And the third generation, F2, well, that's kind of like you, the child of your parents and the grandchild of your grandparents. We're looking at the trait of stem color. There are two variations, purple and non-purple. P1 has non-purple stems. P2 has purple stems. What we're going to do with our samples of P1, P2, F1, and F2 is place them under an ultraviolet glow light and observe what they look like 72 hours after. So let's get started. What we're going to do first is saturate the seeds with this medicine dropper. Once our seeds have enough water, it's time to place them underneath our ultraviolet grow light. Let's turn it on. And now we're going to come back in about 72 hours and check on our plants.